Hello and welcome to PCMINR.com, and you're watching this video on solutions of numericals based on gravitation by Sonal Gupta. So my question reads, the planet Mars has two moons, Phobos and Delmos. Phobos has a period of 7 hours 39 minutes and an orbital radius of 9.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers. And calculate the mass of Mars. And the second part says, assume that Earth and Mars move in circular orbits around the Sun, with the Martian orbit being 1.52 times the orbital radius of the Earth. What is the length of the Martian year in days? Now we know by Kepler's law we have T square, the time period, is directly proportional to the cube of the orbital radius. Therefore, T square is equal to, when we remove the proportionality sign, we'll add a constant k here, k times r cube. But what is my k here? Now that k, the value of k is 4 pi square upon g times mm, that's the mass of the Mars, times the r cube, which is the orbital radius of the Phobos. Now therefore, since our first part of the question says calculate the mass of the Mars, so we'll bring this mass of the Mars to the left side and take the t square down. So I get 4 pi square times r cube upon g into mm, where we know the value of pi, we know the value of r, which is 9.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers, it's given to us. And we also know the value of g, the universal constant, gravitational constant, and the mass of Mars is one we have to calculate, and the time period is 7 hours 39 minutes, which means 7 hours means the time period is, we'll convert it into seconds, so 7 into 60 minutes is 420 minutes plus 39 minutes. So therefore we get 459 minutes, and we have to convert this t into seconds. So we would have this into 60 in seconds. Therefore the mass of Mars is 4 times. So we have 4 into pi square means 3.14 whole square into r cube. R is given to be 9.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers. So 9.4 into 10 to the power 6 meters and whole cube upon g. The value of gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 times we have 459 into 60 in seconds, and this whole square. And solving this by multiplication and then dividing the whole thing, we would get, so on solving we get the mass of Mars as 6.48 times 10 to the power 23 kilograms. So we have found out the mass of Mars simply by applying the Kepler's laws, and we just know all the values are given to us, so you just have to put them correctly in correct units and you get your answer, mm in kilograms. And the second part, they say that Earth and Mars, they move in circular orbits around the Sun, with the Martian orbit being 1.52 times the orbital radius of the Earth. So what is the length of the Martian year in days? Now we know by Kepler's law again, we have that t square for Mars, its ratio to the t square for Earth, that would be equal to the radius of the orbit of Mars, so that's cube, r cube of Martian orbit around the Sun upon r cube of the Earth orbit around the Sun. Now since the Martian orbit is 1.52 times RES, so I'll just substitute it as 1.52 times RES. Now this whole cube, and upon we have RES whole cube. Now RES, because we just substitute the value of the Martian orbit radius around the Sun as 1.52 times the radius of the Earth around the Sun. So now this is the same variable, it cancels out. that's cube and that cube, and we want to find the time period of Martian orbit. So keeping it here, I bring the time period for Earth on the other side. So TE square multiplied by 1.52 times its cube. So therefore, what is Tm? I'll take the square root on the right hand side. So that gives me Te, because Te square on taking the square root will give Te, times 1.52 cube. When we take its square root, it becomes 1.52 raised to the power 3 by 2. So substituting the value of time period of Earth as 365 days, and that will be multiplied with the value of 1.52 raised to the power 3 by 2, and solving we get 684 days. Since the orbit of Mars is bigger than the orbit of Earth by 1.5 times, so we note that the time period is also bigger, much bigger. So it's 684 days. That's the length of the Martian year in days. I hope you find the video helpful. If you like us, please subscribe us and follow us, and do follow us on Instagram and Facebook at PCMINR.com. Thank you for watching.